Mōhio ana Gary Dickey ki ngā āhuatanga o te noho kāinga kore.
Most of the guys are here not because of life, what they've gone through life, and run away from families, get away from the gangs.
Kua rua te kaumāwaru taua ia e noho ana ki ngā tiriti o tautahi nei, engari aha koa tōna iti, he āwhina nui kei ona ringaringa.
When I got here, there was no work for me, so I ended up on the streets. I help out with all the feeds. I do a lot of graces for all the feeds and help out anybody that I can.
Ko tiki tētahi o te hunga kāinga kore kua tae mai ki te kaitahi I raro I te kaupapa o Flows Free Feeds. E ai ki te kai whakahaere a Florence Walker, kei te taumaha te hunga rā.
My kaupapa is open, but mainly for our people because I see the struggles in that. And I'm in the same boat. I'm in the same boat as everyone else.
E ai ki ngā tatauranga 2023, kei te takiwā o te 34 tāngata Māori e tino taumaha kia whaiwhare ai. Heoi, kua rongo a wāka ki te rāhuatanga.
I was only a solo mother with kids, looking after my grandchildren at the time. To save me a bit of money, I was going to these free feeds here in town as well. But I just thought, no, I'm just going to start one myself. And that's how I started. I put it into the community's hands. And the response, I was so blown away that so many people all around Christchurch, and to be honest, overseas as well, have sent me food vouchers and petrol vouchers. You can take some home if you want.
Every day you get fed. Mornings is Monday, Tuesday and Thursdays. Then you get the churches that are around the city that offer you a breakfast in the morning.
Heoi, mō tēnei wā, kua puta pito, kua harikoa anō hoki te hunga nei.
I try and focus myself another day, have a smile on my face, enjoy life.
Hei tērā wiki, ka tūtaki anō te hunga nei ki te kaitahi anō. Ora Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.
Ko te reo